2, 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now change the neck. Now your right foot on your left thigh. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Now start rotating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now we'll do butterfly. That is Titli Asana. So just join your feet, bring it as much as close to your perineum, and then lock it with your hands like this. And you start slowly moving your thighs like this. And gradually you can increase the speed. धीरे धीरे अपने comfort के हिसाब से. You don't have to stress your body. Be gentle to your body. जितना जितना आपका body में flexibility right, keep somebody is able to do it better than you. That doesn't matter. You please listen to your own body. That's more important. So we'll start slowly, and then gradually, if you feel comfortable, you can increase the speed. And please have the beautiful smiles on your face. Feel like as if you are really a butterfly and ready to fly. आप लोग देखेंगे जितने भी आसन हैं उन सब के नाम किसी न किसी जानवर के नाम पे हैं या प्रकृति से जुड़े हुए हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज जो हमारे योगी थे, हमारे पुराने संत महात्मा जो योगा अभ्यास करते थे. इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज बी कनेक्टेड टू नेचर. एंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज जस्ट द ऑपोजिट. और हो रहा है इसके बिल्कुल विपरीत कि हम नेचर से बिल्कुल दूर हो रहे हैं.
आप बुला रहे हैं. आप बुला रहे हैं.
ये मैडम है ना.
Now stretch your arms out.
नर्सिंग वाले हैं क्या?
Now see, when you stretch your arms, just feel the stretch in your fingers. Feel it. Nicely stretch your arms so that you can feel it. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now you will rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now put your hands on your shoulders. Let's do something for our shoulders because you keep on. This is very important for the students also as well as for the teachers because we keep on sitting on the chairs, writing work and this computer work. So there's a lot of stiffness and pain in the shoulders. For this, it is very good movement, shoulder rotation. So when you're moving like this should be the initial position. Then inhale up. When you're moving, taking your hands up, inhale. Coming down, exhale, like this. 1, inhale up, exhale down. 2, just give a good stretch to your shoulders. 3, 4, 5. Now anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now we'll do some neck movement. So it's now up and down. When you're taking your leg up, you have to inhale. Coming down, exhale. So be very gentle to your neck. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Relax. Now you will turn your neck left and right. So when you're turning to the left side, you have to exhale. When you're looking in front, you have to inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now we'll gently bend your neck. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now we'll do some standing asanas. So I would request you all to please stand. First of all, we will start Tadasana. So it's again the balancing asana now. You have to be grounded and balanced. So your feet will be just slightly apart. Take your hands up like this. 1, 2, and then 3. Inhale, stretch your body up and balance. Relax. You have to just lift your whole body up with the inhalation. Alright? So once again, 1, 2, 3, inhale up. Now next is Vrikshasana. Again it increases your focus, your memory. Vrikshasana, you call it tree pose. So you have to balance on your one leg. So like if you are the beginner, like you know the final pose is this. You have to, this should be the position of your foot, and then this is the final position. But if you are not comfortable in this pose, you can just start by, you can just make a 4 with your leg. Make a 4, and if you are not able to balance like this, you can just stretch your arms like this. So if you want, you're a beginner, you're not able to balance, do this. If you can balance, then just fix your leg here and then balance like this. Your focus should be on any one point so that you can balance. Don't look here and there. Relax. Like today we are just, maybe many of you are doing it for the first time, but once you are in the practice, you will do it in a flow. Then you enjoy the yoga asanas, when you do it in a flow, right? So we'll do it from the other leg now. One way is this, making a 4 and just stretch your arms up like this. And the other one is, the final pose is this. Fix your leg here and then slowly take your hands up. Relax. The way you are going in any asana, same way you have to come back. आप जिस तरीके से एक आसन में जाते हैं, like this one, you're going up, then same way you have to come down also. Now the next is Trikonasana. So just stretch your legs like this, little bit apart. The Trikonasana is triangle pose. So you have to make a triangle. If you're not able to bend down, no problem, just bend as much as your body is allowing you. 1, little bit, move it like this, your foot, left foot, and then bend it like, not like this, but see, it's like this. You can see a nice triangle. This should be the pose, and then this should be the straight line. Alignment. Check your alignment. This hand here, and then this hand up. This is triangle pose. Be here for some time. I'll count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Now on the right side. Exhale, bend on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. We'll do it one more time. One more round. Exhale, bend on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. The most important thing is how much time you can hold any asana. Exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Relax. Now we'll do a little bit of warm up. So we'll start with the Kati Chakrasana. Kati means your waist. So in this, what you have to do is, first listen to me carefully, how you have to do so that there is no confusion. Take your left hand, put it on the right shoulder, and right hand from the back, like this. And the hand which is on the top, जो हाथ आपका ऊपर है, आपको उस तरफ घूमना है और अपने opposite foot को देखना है. 1. So you have to bend the upper body, not the lower body. आपकी लोअर बॉडी फिक्स रहेगी, सिर्फ आपको अपर बॉडी को ऐसे मोड़ना है, ठीक है? उसके बाद आपको राइट हैंड को लेफ्ट पे लाना है और लेफ्ट हैंड को पीछे ऐसे. So we'll do it fast. ठीक है? I'll count 20. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Now once again, stretch your legs. Like we did Trikonasana, so we'll do it in a movement, fast. 20 times, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Take few deep breaths in and out. Now bring your feet closer. We'll do Padhastasana. So you have to inhale, take your hands up, and then exhale down. Okay? So we'll do it fast, 10 times. I'll count 10. 1, 2, inhale up, exhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, inhale up, exhale down. 8, 9, 10. Relax. Take few deep breaths in and out. Do some deep breathing. Yes. Now I will introduce Surya Namaskar to you. If you don't have time every day, you don't have much time to practice the asanas, so what you can do is you can just do 6 to 12 rounds of Surya Namaskar, and then after that just do pranayama. That's more than enough for your physical fitness, because Surya Namaskar is a full body exercise. Your whole body is engaged in that. Your hands, your legs, your core is engaged, your back is engaged. So It's a full body workout. But the important thing is that you focus on the breath. सबसे important है सूर्य नमस्कार करते वक्त ब्रेथ का पूरा आपको ध्यान रखना है कि कब आपको सांस लेनी है, कब छोड़नी है। 12 राउंड्स होते हैं इसमें, 12 स्टेप्स हैं। You have to be aware of the steps and the breath. परफेक्शन लाना है आपको सूर्य नमस्कार में। So today I'll just introduce it कि कैसे आपको करना है proper breath work, and then you can keep on practicing it. So first of all, पहला एक राउंड में आपको करके दिखा रही हूँ, आपको सिर्फ देखना है और उसके बाद आप लोग मेरे साथ करेंगे. So we all together will do 4 rounds, but this first round I'm doing it for you so that you just will see कि कैसे करना है, ठीक है? So first of all, I'll do it this way because there's no space here. But the first step is like this: 1. See, first my hands are here. 1. Then towards the sky. Then take them up. Then like this. This is one Pranamasana with normal breathing. The inhalation or the exhalation, it's normal breathing. Alright? So once again, this is one Pranamasana. Now 2 inhale up like this. You see the movement of the hands and the body parts. Like this, my hand is like this, and 2 inhale up. Then 3 exhale. You have to bend your body from here, from your back. 3 down. Then 4, you have to inhale and take your right leg at the back. Alright? Right leg will go back, your knee will touch the ground, your left foot, both your hands should be here. But I know it's not possible in the beginning, but this should be the final position. This is Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Ashwa, all of you know, is horse. So you are like galloping like a horse. Now this was inhalation. Now exhalation, you have to move back, take your left leg back, keep your feet nicely grounded, stretch your body down. Exhale. Now comes the most complicated one, Ashtang Namaskar. Ashtang means 8, and in this pose, your 8 parts will touch the floor but not your abdomen. आपका abdomen floor पे नहीं लगेगा, 8 parts touch करेंगे. So there's a technique to do every asana. सबको confusion होता है कि we are not able to do it. So what you have to do is first put your knees down like this. Then like you do push-ups, जैसे push-ups करते हैं तो put all your pressure on your arms like this. Knees down, then putting all the pressure on the arms, just go down, and your chest on the floor and then your chin. So this is Ashtang Namaskar, your core is not touching the floor. Then sliding forward, inhale up. This is Bhujangasana. You have to look up, your feet should be flat at the back, not very far, they should be closer and flat. This is Bhujangasana. Now from here, you have to go back to Parvatasana. So for going back to Parvatasana, what should be the movement? Lift your feet up like this, on your toes. Lift your body up and back to Parvatasana. Now from here, first you took your right leg at the back. So again, right leg will come in front with inhalation. So inhalation, right leg in front. Looking forward. Exhale, left leg in front. Padastasana. Then inhale up. And back to Pranamasana. So I took time to tell you so that you know what is the correct way of doing Surya Namaskar. Alright? So it's alternate. We start from the right leg. In first round, you take your right leg at the back. Next, you bring that right leg in front. Second round, you will take left leg at the back. So it's alternate, right, left. All right. So आप लोग थोड़ा सा space अपना ले लीजिए so that you can do it properly. Yes. So one pranamasa. Start. Take the position. When I say take the position, you are just like this. Then 1 with normal breathing. 2 inhale up. 3 exhale down. 4 take your right leg at the back. Yes, very nice. Look in front. Your leg which is at the back should touch the floor. Okay, not on the हवा में नहीं रहना उसको पैर को टच करना. Now exhale, left leg at the back. Make a mountain. Make a mountain like this. Now comes Ashtanga Namaskar. Put your knees down first. First your knees down. Then put all the pressure on your arms and then your chest down. And then chin. Abdomen should not touch the floor. Then inhale up, come to Bhujangasana. Very nice. Exhale, back to Parvatasana. Inhale, bring your right leg in front. Exhale, bring your left leg in front. Then inhale up, Hastottanasana. Then back to Pranamasana. Second round, now you will take your left leg at the back. So one Pranamasana. Two, inhale up. 3, exhale down. 4, inhale, take your left leg at the back. 5, exhale, right leg at the back. Be in mountain for some time. Give a good stretch to your back. Now Ashtanga Namaskar, put your knees down first. First knees down, not like this. When I say knees down, it should be like this. Yes. Then your chest down. And then chin. Right. Exhale completely. Inhale up to Bhujangasana. Give a good stretch to your back. Keep your arms straight up. Yes. Be comfortable. Don't stress your body. Exhale back to Parvatasana. Keep your feet grounded. Inhale, bring your left leg in front. Exhale, right leg in front. Inhale up and back to Pranamasana. We'll do 2 more rounds. One Pranamasana once again. 2, inhale up. 3, exhale down. 4, right leg at the back, inhale. Exhale, left leg at the back. Then Ashtanga Namaskar, put your knees down. Then chest and then chin. Then inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, back to Parvatasana. Then inhale, right leg at the back, in front. Exhale, left leg in front. Inhale up. And back to Pranamasana. Last round. Pranamasana. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then take your left leg at the back. Inhale up. Exhale, other leg at the back. Mountain, stretch your back. See, you have to stretch your body like this. Then Ashtanga Namaskar. Knees, chest and chin down. Then sliding forward, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Then inhale, bring your left leg forward. Then exhale, right leg forward. Inhale up. And then back to Pranamasana. Now please relax in Shavasana. Just lie down in Shavasana.